Hello everyone, I, Gini Bharadwaj, welcome you all to Vidya Bharati Punjab Weekly English News Bulletin. Let's begin with the Subhashit and Amrit Vachan of Pran Sanskrit Vishay Pramukh Shri Budhiya Ram Ji.
यदि कोई आग, ऋण या शत्रु अल्प मात्रा अथवा न्यूनतम सीमा तक भी अस्तित्व में बचा रहेगा तो बार बार बढ़ेगा। अतः इन तीनों संपूर्ण रूप से समाप्त करना चाहिए। अमृत वचन, ऊंचाई पर वह पहुंचते हैं जो बदला नहीं बदलाव लाने की सोच रखते हैं। भारत माता की जय।
Let's have a look at the headlines of the past week. Alumni Council Conference organized by Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti Punjab in Chandigarh, in which Shiv Kumar said that the speciality of Vidya Bharati is to educate the children morality along with bookish knowledge. Rekha Kalia and Manju Arora stay in Amritsar while Shishu Vatika Chief Kusum stay ended in Hoshiarpur. Launch of Chinese language certificate course for teachers of Sarvitkari. Lions Club honoured the school family at Prakashpati Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir. National Achievement Survey conducted in Rampura Phool and Sujanpur Vidya Mandirs. Children's Day celebrated in the school. German language course successfully completed on by the Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti. Blood donation camp organized in Rampura Phool dedicated to the NCC Day. Bikhi CBSE and students of Sunam hit the front in the Genius exam. Prize distribution ceremony organized at Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Malot. Cultural festival concluded at Sankul level in Punjab. Hindi poetry recitation competition organized on 10th of November at Dayanand Public School, Silver City, Nabha. Dhuri's alumnus IPS Dr. Mohit Gargji was welcomed on his arrival at Vidya Mandir. Now, the news in detail. Vidya Bharati's speciality is to teach morality to children along with bookish knowledge. This was said by Shiv Kumar on the occasion of the Alumni Council Conference. Alumni Council Conference was organized by Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti Punjab on 14th of November at Sharda Sarvitkari Model Senior Secondary School 40D Chandigarh, in which about 150 students from all the schools of Punjab participated. The conference received guidance from Shiv Kumar ji. Shri Vijay Nadda ji was specially present. President of Chandigarh's Alumni Council and DR Dr. Chaman Chandel, scientist of DO, informed everyone about the working and purpose of the Alumni Council. The students who came shared their school experiences by participating in the free expression. In the end, program coordinator Dr. Pooja expressed gratitude to all the guests who came. Srimati Rekha Kalia ji and Srimati Manju Arora ji visited Madhav Vidya Niketan Senior Secondary School, Amritsar on behalf of Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti. Group staff meeting was also conducted. Similarly, the Pravas of Kusum, the head of the Shishu Vatika of the Pran, took place in Hoshiarpur Vidya Mandir. Kusumji visited all the classrooms of Shishu Vatika and instructed to make improvements in view of the educational system. Keeping in view the imperative of foreign language under the new education policy, Vidya Bharati Punjab started the training of Chinese language for teachers, in which 50 teachers from all over the province participated. This training workshop was presided over by the General Secretary of Vidya Bharati North Zone, Desraj Sharma. Provincial Education in charge Prem Singh Khimta threw light on the entire methodology of learning Chinese language. Saurabh Sharma, Deputy Registrar Foreign Languages, and Sonu Agnihotri, Chinese language expert, addressed everyone and also got the first lesson practiced. On November 10, Prakashpati Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Lions Club provided water cooler and RO for clean water for children. It was inaugurated by Mr. Rajan Chopra ji on this occasion as a chief guest. The school family was honoured by Lions Club. Vibhag Sachiv Sumesh Luthra was specially present on this occasion. On 12th of November, National Achievement Survey was conducted by the Education Department Punjab at Lala Kasturi Lal Sarvitkari Senior Secondary Vidya Mandir Rampura Phool, under which a multiple choice test was taken for the students of class 3 and class 10th. In this survey conducted by the Government of India, the selected schools and its selected teachers were also included, and they were also given a multiple choice questionnaire. Various programs were organized in all the schools on the occasion of Children's Day on 14th of November. On this occasion, programs of sports, dance, poems, speeches, etc. were organized for the students. The students also made very beautiful posters.
हो जाओ तैयार साथियों, हो जाओ तैयार, हो जाओ तैयार साथियों, हो जाओ तैयार। अर्पित कर दो तन मन धन, मांग रहा बलिदान वतन। अर्पित कर दो तन मन धन, मांग रहा बलिदान वतन। अगर देश के काम न आए तो जीवन बेकार, तो जीवन।
The German language course was started in the series of programs for the development of its teachers by Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti, which has been successfully completed. Certificates were given to all the teachers by retired IAS Praveen Saini and retired DO Kamal Kant Eri on 9th of November at the function at Vidyadham, Jalandhar. A blood donation camp was organized by Unit 3 Punjab Naval Unit NCC at Rampura Phool Vidya Mandir on 9th of November as per the instructions of the commanding officer Pawar. This camp was dedicated to the NCC Day, which is celebrated on the fourth Sunday of the month of November. The principal, staff members, parents and associate members of the school contributed towards the society by donating the blood. The students of Sunam and Bhiki CBSE achieved huge success in the Genius Preliminary Exam 2021-22 conducted by Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti Punjab. Gaurish of Science stream from CBSE Bhiki got first, Sudaksha Prashar got second and Samiksha got third place. Similarly, Himani, a class 10 student of Sunam Vidya Mandir, secured third position in the Genius examination. Award ceremony was organized at Seth Indarbhan Taneja Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Malot on the arrival of founder patron Shri Jagdish Taneja ji. The students were honoured with prizes in this function. After this, Girish Teja also honoured teachers. Shri Jagdish Taneja ji gifted the school an amount of 11,000 rupees. Cultural festivals were organized by Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti at the Sankul level on November 10th, in which competitions of infant, child, adolescent and youth were organized. Historical story reading and improvised speech competition was completed in the child and child category. The first position holders will participate in the regional level competition. There was a letter reading competition for the teachers. Special enthusiasm was seen among the students in these competitions. Hindi poetry recitation competition was organized on 10th of November at Dyanand Public School, Silver City, Nabha. The subjects for classes 3rd to 5th, 6 to 8 and 9 to 12 were Meri Maa, Mere Pitaji and Paryavaran Bachao respectively. All the participants performed very well. Principal Minal Puri congratulated all the participants.
खुशियाँ देती सारी माँ, जब भी देखो सब कुछ देती माँ, जब भी हम रोते तब वह रोती, जब हम खुश रहते तो खुद खुश रहती.
On November 12th, at Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Dhura, the son of manager of the school, Shri Buddh Ramji, and alumnus of the school, Shri Mohit Garg, IPS, SP, Maharashtra Ratnagiri, arrived. Shri Mohitji has been selected among 50 popular captains of Fame India Magazine Asia Post Survey in the final phase of annual survey conducted on law and order improvement, vision, working, style, accountable, tactful, efficiency, etc. He informed the students of class 10th about plans for the bright future. Now presenting the beautiful presentation of Dhanola Vidya Mandir under our Vidya Mandir series.
प्रस्तुति।
खुला प्रांगण, शांतमय एवं स्वच्छ वातावरण हमारे विद्या मंदिर की शोभा में चार चांद लगाते हैं। विद्या मंदिर में शिशु वाटिका के लिए अलग से भवन बना हुआ है।
माटी सबो भूमि हर ग्राम है। हर बाला देवी की प्रतिमा बच्चा बच्चा राम है। चंदन है इस देश की माटी सबो भूमि हर ग्राम है।
हर बाला देवी की प्रतिमा बच्चा बच्चा राम है।
हर शरीर मंदिर।
Now, a presentation of Shishu Vatika.
हो जाओ तैयार साथियों, हो जाओ तैयार, हो जाओ तैयार साथियों, हो जाओ तैयार। अर्पित कर दो तन मन धन,
मांग रहा बलिदान वतन,
अर्पित कर दो तन मन धन।
मांग रहा बलिदान वतन।
अगर देश के काम न आए तो जीवन बेकार, तो जीवन बेकार साथियों, तो जीवन बेकार।
That's all for this week. See you in the next bulletin. Jai Hind.